Hello, this is Alexander Cross, criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you'd like to learn more about criminal defense, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. So we received an interesting inquiry here on our YouTube channel. This has to do with somebody who claims to be addicted to the collection of weapons. Let's see here. 10 years ago, I had a case of domestic violence, and I have a weakness of collecting weapons. Can I have them at home? When I argue with my current wife, she says to get rid of them or the police will be called. How can this affect me? Well, first of all, she's technically extorting you. She could be charged with a violation of Penal Code Section 520 that carries up to 4 years state prison. She can't tell you, hey, do this or I'm going to call the police. That's questionable behavior. She shouldn't do that. But I'm going to put that to the side. Okay, you have a conviction of domestic violence. First of all, we got to break this down. Remember, domestic violence here in the state of California is something that can be charged as a misdemeanor or a felony. Misdemeanor under Penal Code Section 243E1, felony under Penal Code Section 273.5. Now, if it's charged as a felony, forget about it being domestic violence. Any felony bars you from owning a firearm for life. You cannot own a firearm here in the United States. You cannot own a firearm here in the United States if you've been convicted of any felony. All right? Now let's go down to misdemeanor. For misdemeanors, you generally can own a firearm. However, when it comes to domestic violence, it's a little bit different. In the state of California, you're not allowed to own a firearm for 10 years if you have been found guilty or pled no contest to domestic violence. However, even though the state of California says you can't have the firearm for 10 years, the United States says you can't have the firearm for life, regardless. Any domestic violence, regardless of whether or not it's misdemeanor or felony, bars you from owning a gun for life here in the United States. Any other weapons, that's another story, but any firearm, absolutely not. Buy some bows and arrows and some nunchucks if you want, but don't be buying any firearms because that could potentially lead you to 10 years in state prison. State years in federal prison plus a $250,000 fine. So yeah, you don't want to be doing that. Get rid of those guns. Regardless, if you'd like to learn more about criminal defense here in the San Francisco Bay Area, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Law Offices of Cross and Associates, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section below so that we may respond in the future with more videos for you. But if you've been accused of a crime here in the San Francisco Bay Area and need representation, give us a call for a free consultation at 1-800-862-7677. Once again, 1-800-862-7677. Criminal lawyer, criminal lawyers, DUI lawyer, DUI lawyers, criminal attorney, criminal attorneys, DUI attorney, DUI attorneys.